Hi, it's Nady. You are watching Learn English with Nady YouTube channel. This is the English Capsules series. In this capsule, we're going to talk about how could we answer someone that says sorry. If someone says sorry to us, what should we say? If this is the first time to watch our videos, so that means you didn't subscribe to the channel, please. If you didn't subscribe and just click the bell. If you already subscribed the channel, use this hashtag if you're going to share the video, and let's just learn about that. Welcome back again. We said that in this capsule or in this video, we're going to talk about how could I answer someone who said sorry. The first thing we can say is no problem. No problem. Someone said sorry, so we can say no problem. Sometimes we can say this as no props. No props. The second way we can just answer this is that we can say don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. The third way is that we can use this. No worries. No worries. No worries. We could also say this, and this is commonly used by the native speakers. This is things happen. Things happen means like, okay, this could happen normally. Things happen. Or we also can use things come up. Things come up. Things come up or things happen. These two. We use these two if something happened unintentionally. For example, if someone was using my mobile phone and he dropped it and it's broken. He said, oh, sorry, I didn't mean that. I could say like, things happen. These are the ways that native speakers use to respond to someone who's saying sorry. Finally, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And if you like the video and you already subscribed to the channel, don't forget to like and share. See you later.